friends, welcome back to Don't Burn Dinner. It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood today. And the reason I say that is because I was just watching a very popular cartoon with my son, and a recipe popped up that they showed us how to make without ingredient measurements, of course. So we're gonna kind of rough it here, but my son looked at me and he said, "That looks yummy, Mommy." So we're gonna try it and let's see how we like this little yogurt smoothie that they called a lassi. So the measurements didn't exist in the cartoon, so I eyeballed it, and I'm thinking we're gonna start with 1 cup of yogurt. So I did a Greek vanilla bean yogurt. It looked like a 1/2 cup of milk, and it was definitely a tablespoon of sugar. And then we'll need some ice to set aside too. So that's it, nice refreshing little summer drink for the kids. Okay, so we are going to add in now our yogurt just into the bowl. And there was a cute little song that went with it. Are you guys ready? Mix, mix, mix around, mix until no lumps are found. I mean, it's pretty creamy yogurt, so I don't think that I have any lumps. But when I do the homemade yogurt, you guys can go back to your other episodes. I have done homemade yogurt in the bread machine. And when it's homemade, you certainly will get lumps in it. So we're mixing, we're mixing. Now, I'm guessing it looked like half of what she put in for the yogurt. So let's do a half a cup of milk. We're mixing that in, and our tablespoon of sugar. Mix, mix, mix around. Mix until no lumps are found. Should have like that on the show. Are you getting the hint with a red sweater? That seems to be the last step. You can add spices, things like turmeric, all kinds of different flavors inside this as well, but this is the way it was on the show. So I went true to the show, but we're going to give this to my son and see how he likes it. And you know what? It's got that nice Greek yogurt in it, so it's high in protein. We've got a little something to quench the thirst in the summer that I feel a little bit less guilty giving him. Oh, for crying out loud, how bad am I at ladling? The moment of truth. Will it be a beautiful day in my neighborhood? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's awesome. Try this one out. You're not going to regret it. Anyways, make sure you follow us for more recipes, and I'll be here next time. Bye-bye.